In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Workspace in ERPNext. Let's get started from the home page of your ERPNext account. Make sure you're already logged in and that you have the right permissions to create or customize workspaces, since some roles might be restricted. Once you're on the home screen, scroll down until you see the option to create something new. Look for a button or link labeled I New. This is usually located near the list of existing workspaces or modules. When you see the New button, go ahead and click it. This is what will start the process of creating a brand new workspace. After clicking New, you'll be taken to a blank workspace setup form. The first thing you'll want to do here is type in a title. The title is important because it's what users will see in the sidebar or on the home screen, so make it clear and descriptive. For example, if this workspace is for your sales team, you might call it Sales Dashboard or Sales Workspace. If it's for accounting, something like Finance Hub works well. Keep it short but meaningful so that people immediately understand its purpose. Once the title is in place, you can move on to filling in the rest of the details. This section may include fields like a description, a category, a module, or visibility options. The description can be a short sentence explaining what this workspace is for, which is useful when you have many workspaces. If there's an option to choose a module or section it belongs to, pick the one that best fits how your organization is structured. You might also see settings that control who can access this workspace. If your ERPNext setup allows it, you can limit the workspace to certain roles or user groups. This helps keep things organized and prevents users from seeing workspaces that are not relevant to them. Take a moment to review each field and think about how your team will use this workspace day to day. When you've finished entering the title and all the necessary details, double-check everything for accuracy. Make sure the title is spelled correctly, the description makes sense, and the access settings are appropriate. Once you're happy with your setup, look for the Create button, usually at the bottom or top right of the form. Click on Create to save your new workspace. After a moment, ERPNext will generate the workspace, and you should see it appear in your list. From here, you can start customizing it further with reports, shortcuts, and other